It's a very important launch for us because we're electrifying the long-haul segment, which is the biggest one in Europe, and also electrifying the segment where the trucks travel the longest distances. So it means it's also the most relevant from a CO2 perspective. So I think this launch is really a milestone for us on our journey to decarbonize transport. We tested the vehicles both in Finland in really, really cold temperatures. So I was there and it was like -25 most of the days. So we know it works very well in cold temperatures. And obviously since then we've also tested it in hot temperatures in Spain and Italy. And it's also performing in hot temperatures. So I'm pretty confident we covered most of the temperature range where we expect our customers will be using the trucks.